In this video, I will guide you how you can place a trade in Binance Future. So first of all, log into your Binance account and you just need to click on the futures and select your particular trading page. You can select any one of these. So once you are in, you need to first transfer USDT or USDC to your USDM future wallet or other coin. For example, Bitcoin to your coin M future wallet as margins. Then you need to choose a symbol to trade and then select a preferred leverage. Now you need to choose an order type and customize the order. You need to click on the buy long or sell short to place your order. Now here are few additional tips. You can adjust the leverage, switch between modes, stop, set stop loss and take profits, and use the charting tools and indicators which are on your left hand sides. You can also place different types of orders such as market, limits and stop limit, which also has stop market, trailing stop and post only and all of the other features. But keep in mind that the risk associated with the trading future, ensure that you are sufficiently prepared and knowledgeable about future work before trading them, because a small mistake can lead to a big loss. So you need to keep that in mind. Hope this helped. This is how you can trade or place a trade in Binance Future.